Who are you talking to? Can you say hi, Grandma? Say hi. Hi, Grandma. Yeah, are you talking on the phone? Talk on the phone. Who's on the phone, Aiden? Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say who's there. Say who's there. Woo! Careful. Hi, Grandma. You're silly. You're a big talker today, huh? Yeah? Grandma, where are you? Wow. You have a lot to say, huh? I wonder where you get that from. You can't yell at the phone. Be nice. Say hi. Say how are you? Yes. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.